What if you never had to scoop your cat's litter box again? After testing dozens of models, we found 6 self-cleaning litter boxes that actually work in 2025. One uses military-grade odor elimination, another texts you when it's full, but the number 3 pick? It's so quiet, your cat won't even know it's cleaning itself. All purchase links are waiting in the description. Let's reveal which one deserves your money. Starting at number 1. Whisker Litter-Robot 4. Best overall. The Whisker Litter-Robot 4 is not merely an iterative improvement on its predecessor, the Litter-Robot 3 Connect, but a comprehensive upgrade. In fact, it's the best litter box we've ever tested. In lab testing and throughout weeks of follow-up testing with real cats, our testers expressed repeated admiration for various features, design improvements, and their overall experience using the Litter-Robot 4. It's hard not to boggle at the Litter-Robot's high price, but Whisker has pulled out all the stops to justify the premium cost with a premium user experience. It begins with an incredibly easy setup, as the Litter-Robot 4 arrives fully assembled in the box. All you need to do is plug it in and download the Whisker app, which is synced using a QR code on the back of the device. But the first thing you're likely to notice about the Litter-Robot 4 is its design, which stacks a wide-open, circular entrance atop a more square base. The entrance to the litter box looks inviting, even intriguing, with our home tester confirming that cats are more than willing to interact with the futuristic-looking device. My 3 cats took to it very quickly after the initial fear and confusion about it seemingly coming to life on its own. Number 2. Neakasa M1 Open-Top Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Best for large cats. In a world of automatic litter boxes that resemble enclosed globes, the Neakasa M1 is a welcomed option. Don't be fooled by the images of this open-top automatic litter box. It may look large and bulky, but it measures about average. We tested this litter box with 3 siblings, one 8.5-pounder and 2 16-pound kitties, including one Maine Coon. Our tester noted that the assembly of the litter box was a cinch and they only needed to attach 4 feet and pop out the litter tray, no special tools or skills needed. The app, however, was a different story and required Bluetooth and Wi-Fi pairing. They said it wasn't difficult, but it took some time. It also took some time for their cats to take to the litter box, which they attributed to the high 13.77-inch entry level. Because of the high entry-level open top that provides more space for big boys and girls, and the 33-pound weight limit of this litter box, we think it's best to use for larger cats. However, our tester noted that the actual area of the litter well seemed to be a little small for their Maine Coon, so it's probably best for just one large cat, not multiple cats. Number 3. Litter-Robot 3 Connect Cat Litter Box. The Litter-Robot 4 is a substantial improvement over its predecessor, but after nearly 3 years of continuous testing, we still feel confident in the quality of the Litter-Robot 3 Connect. We have tested 4 different Litter-Robot 3 Connect models over the years, so we have extensive long-term experience with the product. Of the 4, we encountered a relatively common botted error with one, where the machine erroneously registered its top panel as open. Litter-Robot customer service was responsive, with both troubleshooting advice and an offer to replace the device. We also tested the Litter-Robot 3 against the popular Leo's Loo 2 in the same household, and our tester came away preferring the Leo's Loo 2. Her cats did too, consistently opting for it over the Litter-Robot 3. But the Litter-Robot 3 does come with a price advantage, costing over $250 less than Leo's Loo 2. Overall, the Litter-Robot 3 is larger, more than 2 inches wider, less aesthetically pleasing, and slightly louder than the Litter-Robot 4, but the reduced price might make this previous Litter-Robot model worth considering. Number 4. Casa Leo's Loo 2. Best Smart Home Ready. The Casa Leo's Loo 2 follows the classic design of automatic litter boxes, with a rotating barrel passing through a grate, leaving behind solid clumps, which are dumped into a lower reservoir. Our 2 tester cats immediately adjusted to using Leo's Loo 2, thanks in part to its very quiet and unobtrusive cleaning cycle. The app is less fun to use than the slick Whisker app, but what makes the Casa Leo automatic litter box stand out is its wide smart home compatibility. Capable of syncing with both Amazon Alexa and Google Home, the Leo's Loo 2 is the best option for anyone looking to activate their litter box using voice controls. The Leo's Loo 2's app was easy to set up, too. It's also an excellent pick for anyone concerned about microbes, since the Casa Leo litter box utilizes UV sterilization, blasting its waste drawer with light rays that kill most bacteria and viruses. Frankly, this seems like overkill since waste is contained in plastic bags, but it's likely to be an appealing feature for some. Number 5. Catlink Self-Cleaning Litter Box Scooper Luxury Pro X. Our tester was a big fan of how easy it was to install, set up, and link the app for this litter box, and it gets extra points for having an intuitive design. But it doesn't stop there. The app is packed with features and data points that go beyond the standard usage stats and clean cycle options. You'll also be able to check how full the waste bin is, the humidity and temperature inside the box, and litter levels, plus the app works with Alexa and Google Home. This litter box does have a larger footprint than our tester was used to, but they said it was so good at eliminating odor that they felt it could easily be placed in areas that would otherwise be off limits because of smell with a regular litter box. Odor is neutralized with a carbon filter, UV sterilization light, and a rechargeable purifier. Number 6. PetSnowy Snow Plus Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Best app controls. Best tracking prevention. Our tester was a big fan of how easy it was to install, set up, and link the app for this litter box, and it gets extra points for having an intuitive design. But it doesn't stop there. The app is packed with features and data points that go beyond the standard usage stats and clean cycle options. You'll also be able to check how full the waste bin is, the humidity and temperature inside the box, and litter levels, plus the app works with Alexa and Google Home. This litter box does have a larger footprint than our tester was used to, but they said it was so good at eliminating odor that they felt it could easily be placed in areas that would otherwise be off limits because of smell with a regular litter box. Odor is neutralized with a carbon filter, UV sterilization light, and a rechargeable purifier. In addition to the odor control, the litter box operates at a low 30 decibels, or about as loud as a nearby whisper, making it one of the quietest picks on the list. Our tester mentioned that it was fine for her normally nervous kitty. Some other standout features include the button panel lock, which prevents pets or kids from accidentally pushing a control button, the large 2-week waste bin capacity, and the 2 safety sensors that detect when your cat enters the litter box and halts operation. So, which of these genius litter boxes are you bringing home? Fight about it in the comments. If this video saved you from another year of scooping, do me a favor, smash that like button, tell a fellow cat lover, and subscribe. Because the future of pet care? It's finally here. Check the description for all links, and I'll see you in the next one.